Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Bitiya. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you freeze drying in principles of food preservation technology under food and biotechnology discipline. First of all, freeze drying is or lyophilization is a process in which water is frozen followed by its removal from the sample initially by sublimation, that is the primary drying, and then by sublimation, that is desorption. Since heat is not applied in this case, so both nutritional qualities and sensory characteristics were better retained. Freeze drying has similar preservative effect by reduction in water activity without heat application. Then the principle is the vapor pressure of a food is held between 4.58 torr, or you can say 610.5 pascal, and water is frozen. When the food is heated, solid ice sublimes into vapor without melting, and the pressure is food dried. Cabinet is below the vapor pressure at the surface of ice, and a vacuum pump is present in the cabinet, which removes the vapor and let it condense on refrigeration coils. Food products are dried in two stages, first by sublimation to 15% moisture content and then by evaporating drying of unfrozen water to 2% moisture content. The rate of drying depends on the resistance of the food to heat transfer and to a lesser extent on resistance to vapor flow from sublimation. Properties of freeze-dried food products. That is, the moisture content of freeze-dried food product is below 3% and freeze-dried product is lighter in volume or weight. There is very good retention of volatile flavor and aroma components with the process, and the freeze drying causes very little change in chemical components of food, and there is a very minute difference in the nutritive value of fresh food and freeze dried food product. Freeze drying process is freezing is it is most critical process in the whole freeze drying process. The product to be freeze dried is cooled below the triple point, that is lowest temperature at which solid and solid phases of product coexist, which ensures the sublimation. Freezing is done rapidly in order to lower the material to its eutectic point quickly to avoid the formation of ice crystals. Generally, the freezing temperature is in between -50 to -80 degrees Celsius in lab. It is done by the placing the product to be frozen in freeze drying flask, and the flask are rotated in a bath called shell freezer, which is cooled by mechanical refrigeration, dry ice, methanol or liquid nitrogen. Next step is primary drying, that is sublimation. In this process, temperature and pressure should be below the triple point of water, that is 0.0098 degrees Celsius and 4.58 meter of Hg. So in this process, pressure is lowered and enough heat is supplied for the water to sublimate. The heat supplied is latent heat of sublimation. In this process, moisture is removed up to 98 to 99%. Pressure is controlled by applying partial vacuum. The condenser plates resolidifies the water vapor into ice. Driving force for sublimation is vapor pressure difference between the evaporating surface and the condenser. Secondary drying is resorption. It aims to remove unfrozen water molecules which could not be able to convert in ice and sublime. In this process, temperature is raised around 50 degrees Celsius to break all physicochemical interaction to remove the bound water and that have formed between water molecules and the frozen material. Generally, pressure is kept lower to around 50 mmHg. Rate of secondary drying is slow and it takes around 10 to 12 hours. Packing is after drying, vacuum is replaced by filtered dry air or any inert gas such as nitrogen to establish atmospheric pressure. At the end of these operations, moisture content reaches 0.5 to 4%. Next is advantages of freeze drying. Since the water is removed from the food product, it becomes very light and hence becomes easy to transportation or it is portable. Nutritional qualities and sensory characteristics of freeze-dried product is retained. The products do not require refrigeration, hence can last for months or years. Thermolabile food products can easily be dried. And disadvantages are freeze-dried food products are quite expensive due to specialized equipment needed for this process, and the product is prone to oxidation due to high porosity and large surface area. Hence, the product is packed in a vacuum or in inert gas. Food type suitable for freeze drying is coffee, fruits and juices, vegetables, meat, fish and seafood, eggs, dairy product. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.